Are you like me and you're lusting for something creative in your Christmas stocking this year? Or do you have somebody who's a creative person to buy for? I've got 5 amazing gift ideas to share with you that are all things that a creative person would absolutely love. I've got 5 amazing gift ideas to share with you, and you'll need to stay to the end for my special gift that I am lusting after. I've told the hubster that if that's not under the tree for me on Christmas Day, I'm leaving him. It is so amazing. So stick around for that one. But before that, I've got 4 other brilliant gifts. Now, these aren't stocking filler gifts. They're all main present or special present gifts. So they're the £50 and up, but they're all under £100. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get started. So gift idea number 1 is a tote bag. And it's not a made-up tote bag, it's a kit for a tote bag. And the one I found is the Oxbow tote, which is a weekend tote bag, so a big tote bag. And it's on as a kit with Tuesday's Child fabrics. So what do you get in the kit and how much is it going to cost? So in the kit, you're getting the Noodlehead Patterns Oxbow tote pattern, plain black cotton canvas for the exterior, and a fat quarter of accent cotton canvas for the front pocket. Then you're going to get the Easy Weekend Sky Show cotton for the lining, 40mm wide webbing for the straps and the handle, a silver nickel finish hardware pack, get your zip and your matching thread. And last but not least, you're also going to get your Deckerville and interfacing for inside for the structure of the bag. So you're getting absolutely everything that you need to make that Oxbow tote bag. So it comes as a kit and it's £95 with the pattern. Not cheap, but for somebody who's interested in starting bag making, the Oxbow tote is a good one to start with. It's a really useful bag. I've got one that I use when I go away overnight. It's brilliant. Noodlehead patterns are really good patterns to start with as a beginner, and they have really good detailed instructions. So that's my tip for gift. Special gift number 1. Gift idea number 2 is a subscription. I know, subscription boxes can be a bit on the expensive side, but keeping on the bag making theme, I've recently come across the Studio 77 bag makers box. Now, they are done every other month, so it's not every month, and they're £29 every other month, so it's £15 a month. You could sign up for this for somebody, and if you sign up now, then their first box is going to be in January, so something to look forward to in the new year. So you could do it as a certificate, and then they know what they're going to be getting. What do you get in the bag makers box? The bag makers box is a bi-monthly treat delivered to your door. A surprise box of bag making goodies that will inspire you to create. So it's not a kit as such. Each box has been lovely curated by Emma to include must-have items for your bag making. Some months it may be webbing for your crossbody straps. Sometimes it'll be zipper tapes and pulls. You don't know what you're getting in each box, but each box will be worth a retail price equal or higher than the cost of the subscription. This is not a kit, more a look at this cool stuff you can make bags with. So, you know, it's going to cost you £15 a month, but you could unsubscribe after 3 months, so, or 4 months, so they're going to get 2 bag makers kits, and then if they want to carry on, they can do it themselves, or if you're super generous, you could just keep paying it for them. How nice would that be? Gift idea number 3 is for the knitters among you, and it is something that I've already bought and made a start on, but will make a brilliant gift, and it's the Forager blanket kit by West Yorkshire Spinners. There's an image of the blanket when it's knitted, and you get everything in it. You get the PDF pattern and all the wool to make that beautiful blanket. The wool is 100% wool, so really good quality. And the best place that I've found the Forager blanket is at Black Sheep Wools, and it's £62.99, which is a little bit of a saving. They're usually about the £70 mark. So if you've got somebody who knits or is just starting to get into knitting, a blanket is a good thing to do. Gift idea number 3 is for the quilter. I've recently started a quilt course, so I'm a bit of a beginner, but this quilt kit has really caught my eye. It's on a website called Love from BETH. There'll be some images because there are 10 different variations in fabrics for this kit that you can choose from, so they'll be rolling over there while I talk about the kit. And just buy the pattern for £6.50, or the kit is £95, but you're getting everything in it. Let's just have a nose at what you actually get in the kit. In all the fabrics to make your quilt topper, your borders, and your binding. You're not going to get your batting and you're not going to get your backing fabric, but the whole of the top of the quilt, which, let's face it, is the exciting bit, is in the kit. The finished size of the quilt is 52 inches square, so that's about 5 foot. The Nova quilt is designed to take on many different looks depending on the colour combinations chosen. It follows a simple formula of just 3 different blocks and 8 different fabrics. The whole quilt is made up of simple squares and half square triangles, and is therefore suitable for any skill level to tackle. Even a beginner like me could try it. I really want this one. So there are 10 different options of colour combinations, and they've all been popping up at the side of me there. So £95 I think is quite good value for a complete quilt kit, and some of those colours are to die for, aren't they? Number 4 is from the lovely Jenny Stitches, and she does her purple packages. So go to her website and click on where it says purple packages, and they're changing all the time. But at the moment, she's got an amazing kit on there. But if you know somebody who's at the start of their sewing journey, she's pulled together a purple box that's £65. So let's have a nosy at what you're getting in this amazing gift. The box contents are, and this is going to take a while, so pin your ears back. You're getting the Prim Professional micro serration scissors. Now, they're the scissors of choice for me. These are my micro serration scissors. They're well used, and you probably can't see, but when you feel them, be careful not to cut your fingers. You can feel the serrated edge right at the bottom, and that helps to grip your fabric when you're cutting. So I definitely recommend these scissors, and they're in Jenny's purple box. Winner, winner. You're also getting the Prim Love 45mm rotary cutter, the Prim Love magnetic pincushion and glass head pins, some Prim fabric clips, the ergonomic seam ripper. We all need one of those, don't we? The Prim Sew and Knit gauge, Prim Love water erasable marker pen, and a Prim tape measure. So an awful lot of stuff in that box. And if you know somebody who needs to rejuvenate their sewing space and needs some new tools, or is starting out on their sewing journey, I think that's a really good gift to give them. Start of this little vlog that I was going to save the best till last, and this is the box that needs to be under my tree on Christmas morning. It is the perfect gift for a sewist. It's from So Different, one of my favourite pattern companies. They brought out a luxurious box of sewing delights that is called Paradise Found. Just the name of it excites me. What is in the box? So you're going to get a brand new So Different sewing dress pattern. You don't know what it's going to be. You're getting 3 meters of a new design of their own fabric. Now, Laura designs these, draws the images and designs the fabric herself, so they are always beautiful. And I'm sure you're gonna get blown away. 3 meters of it in here. Another pattern for a tote bag. Some matching thread, matching buttons, so the dress must need buttons, mustn't it? That's a little clue. And a sewing themed piece of jewellery and a box of chockies to eat while you're sewing. Perfect. So, how much is the Paradise Found box? It's £85, and I think you'll agree for all those goodies, it is really good value for money. You can choose between the berry colourway and the khaki colourway, but you don't know what the fabric's going to be like, you just choose your colour. Now, I'm checking this at lunchtime on Thursday, the 14th of November, and they're selling like hotcakes. So, as of now, they've got 15 of the berry ones still in stock and 22 of the khaki ones. They've only been on sale, I think, a few days really, so you need to get in quick. I'm hoping that the Hubster has already ordered mine, because for me, it is the perfect gift. It's got 3 meters of fabric, more than enough for me to make probably a dress and a top. And I love Laura's aesthetic in her fabrics. I'm not going to be disappointed, I know. And a new pattern. Everything's new, but you don't know what they're going to be. So I know what I'm getting. Well, I hope I know what I'm getting. But I don't, if you know what I mean. So I think it is absolutely brilliant. They have given you an email address for you to email if you really want to know what the contents of the box actually are before you order it. But I'm resisting that one because that's going to really spoil the surprise. And I love a surprise on Christmas Day. So I can't wait for this one. I hope I'm not disappointed. So there we go. 5 gorgeous gifts for creative people. I hope if you're looking for something for someone creative, it's given you some inspiration. Or if, like me, you've got a partner who needs a little bit of guidance, a lot of guidance, in what to spend their hard-earned cash on for you for Christmas, then I've put all the links below. All you need to do is decide which one you want and send it to them and tell them, this is what I want for Christmas. And fingers crossed, it'll be under the tree on Christmas Day. Take care. Happy sewing. Love you loads. Bye for now. Now